Hi everyone, and welcome to one and all. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel. Um, we are building a community here, and I am happy to share my knowledge with you and understanding of the law, so that you all can be a part of this change to get our country into the right direction. So we're going to talk about a controversial point today. Um, and this is just clearly my view. You all can tell me what you think, as you have been doing. So I have a firm belief that if the day comes, and I will say when the day comes, because we're all going to make that day come, and the JCF and its members stop randomly stopping private vehicles on the road for the sake of, like many officers who I know have been demanding from citizens, and you all know it, right or left. When that day comes, when right or left is no longer the common practice, I have the firm belief that we can see our crime problem decrease. So the people who are attacking me about, left rights alone because police, or because of people like me who say we know our rights, why the country is like it is. On the contrary, very little of us know our rights. So the 1% or so that actually know their rights, constitutional or legal, are not the people who are causing crime to be committed. What I believe can be a very, very good solution to the crime problem is if the people regain the confidence that they once had in the JCF. And that confidence can be regained, in my view, if the right or left thing cut out. And the right or left thing can cut out when we, the people, know our rights and demand that the police respect our rights. Gunman, as far as me concerned, lost confidence in the police because so many officers will choose to left instead of to right. And the gunman, the drugsman, the whatever, them have the capital, them have the resources, them can always do what is required so that the police left and not to right. And so when officers breach people like myself's fundamental rights to left, or to get to that option to be able to ask if I should right or left, everybody losing confidence. And when people lose confidence, them lose respect. And therefore people don't see police as nothing. One time people used to afraid of police. People not afraid of police again. Because too many times the option to right or left is being presented in front of us. And so that, I believe, could be, and very well would be, a start to solving our crime problem in this country. Because when gunman, drugsman, scammer, and all of them here's the police are come, them now fear worry whether or not them all can right or left. Them all don't know say there is no left. Police stop you because police know say you have something illegal in the vehicle, or him feels you have something illegal in the vehicle. So basically you have reasonable suspicion, say you have something illegal in the vehicle. You have a reasonable suspicion that you have committed an offense, or that you intend to commit an offense, and that is why him stop you. And when him stop you because him a go throw the book at you. He make sure say you never do that offense again. So let us begin by fixing this culture. Let us understand that when the option to right or left is no longer there, confidence will be regained in the JCF. Me now ask you, me I tell you. Yep. Parties, oh my. The Noise Abatement Act. Prostitution and the Noise Abatement Act. I've seen too much of it. Too much of it. So, anytime people can know that when police are come, the law is to be respected because them coming to enforce the law. Granted, police have the law gives discretion at times depending on what is happening. So, but at the end of the day, whether or not the officer will be using discretion or not, when people see and hear police are come, them know it's because an offense was committed. And if I drive, and you see the hand come out, and it's not a traffic stop for redirection of traffic, but I say, park, you don't know, say, it's because there is some reasonable suspicion, or the officer had probable cause, or reasonable cause, that you either committed an offense, or that you intend to commit an offense. And at that point, you shall be detained. At that point of having reasonable or probable cause, the officer can search a vehicle without question. He don't need to ask you. And so that is why we have to understand that when the officers are asking you for your papers, what they're doing is what we call in law as fishing expedition. They are searching for a crime. So they want to see if the papers expire or not. Because they must search your crime. What do you do that, man? I know that we don't have enough computers in the country, but at the same point in time, this is not the way to do it. This mentality of randomly, arbitrarily stopping private vehicles on the road, it now work. It is causing and has caused we the people to lose faith in the JCF. So, I believe the solution starts here. It starts with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that whenever more content about the law comes out, you'll be the first to know, and so that you can share with others, so that every one of us can know and understand the law, and therefore help to make Jamaica the place to live, work, and raise your family. I appreciate your comments. Any question you have, I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time.